This is Quercus virginiana. We just thinned out all of the dead wood and brought some of the overly long branches in. It is showing signs of decay. Decline. We did remove some moss for weight reduction. The biggest issue right here is, are you familiar with this issue, little Alex?
Girdling root.
That is correct. That is a girdling root.
It's amazing how long trees can survive under extreme circumstances. This is a peach tree in the prunus family. Extensive decay all throughout the trunk. Just a small area of green tissue or vascular tissue that is able to transport nutrients up through the canopy. This tree is showing signs of decline, and it's just amazing to me that a tree like this in this bad a condition can survive as long as it has. But it still has green branches on it, and obviously all trees are precious, so they're trying to save it.
Now, girdling roots, as the tree grows in diameter, constrict down onto the trunk, which reduces the amount of nutrients, water, and minerals able to go up through the canopy. So eventually it chokes the tree out.
Trees don't only commit suicide with girdling roots, they actually can be affected pretty significantly by other trees and plants, like these Virginia creeper and muscadine vines. Muscadine vines will grow just about anywhere. They're very prolific. They will take over the canopy of a tree and reduce the amount of sunlight, as well as sometimes wrapping and constricting the tree itself.
Unfortunately with this, which would probably be a store-bought tree, something from a nursery, and the girdling roots are a product of being kept in flower pots too long, and when they're planted into the soil, the girdling roots were never shaved off or cut back. So what happened here, this is so far gone, it's been planted for so long, the roots are large in diameter, there is nothing we can do to help save this tree. It's really just minimizing the signs of decline. There's no preventing it, and there's really nothing we can do. You can see how sparse it is. It's very sparsely foliated.
This is a winged elm in the family Ulmus. It has a large competing stem or two main tops. Those stems, as they grow in diameter, push on each other, which can force them to separate, as well as the foliage growing in opposite directions, which creates stress at the attachment right there. You can actually see on this stem where they're starting to separate. One of the options you can do are to reduce some of the weight on either stem, or try to promote one central main top. I do, however, not recommend removing one side entirely. This will create a whole host of new problems.
Live oaks are very resilient trees. Here is yet another testament to the strength and durability of a live oak. Yes, this tree died. It was struck by lightning. But after some minor reduction pruning, you can see where the branches have been removed. The tree is still standing. It's been 3 years and the tree is still standing. A truly durable, dense wood, and great habitat for different organisms like squirrels, woodpeckers, and insects, as well as that resurrection fern you can see on the moss up there. Pretty cool piece. It actually looks pretty cool also.
Down in South Florida in Fort Lauderdale area, this is a very large ficus tree. It's always amazed me how the branches will grow out so far and then shoot roots down that will then anchor and then eventually support the weight of these branches as they reach out further and further. Truly incredible. It's really hard to determine the actual age of these trees. Here's another example of a ficus urbanium tree. If you like this content, be sure you tap the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the notification bell. Hopefully we'll see you again here in the Best Gardens DIY. Door, baby, please.